Hello everyone. Ace Magashule, the leader of the African Congress for Transformation, was invited in Magju's podcast and spilled the beans about the current president of South Africa, Cyril Ramaphosa. He said we were warned against backing Cyril Ramaphosa for the deputy president in 2012. Ramaphosa served as then President Jacob Zuma's deputy until his ascension to the top seat after the 2017 Nasrec conference, where he was elected president against Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma. Magashule, who was expelled from the ANC in June after being charged with misconduct by the party for illegally suspending Ramaphosa. The former ANC Secretary General said although he was expelled from the party under Ramaphosa's leadership, he was one of the people who backed him for deputy president back in 2012, but not without a warning. He said in 2017 there was NDZ, NCR, and factionalism reared its ugly head. What South Africans don't know is that we were the people who brought Cyril Ramaphosa to be the ANC's deputy president, and we were warned. Called on Zweli Mkhize to come in and he told us, but you have Zuma, who is from KZN. But we told him it was not about that. When we elect leaders, we go for people who we think have the necessary capacity and abilities. That's why we made Zweli Mkhize Treasurer General. While the SACP and COSATU did not want Ramaphosa as the party's deputy in 2012, they made a U-turn and backed him for the presidency in 2017. Magashule said in 2012, everyone else said no to Ramaphosa, but we said yes. In 2017, when everyone else was saying Cyril Ramaphosa for president, we said no because we wanted NDZ. Magashule said he backed Ramaphosa for deputy president because there was no information about him that he was not aware of. He continued and said, we didn't know some of the things about him. We were pre-warned and told certain things, and we just believed that he was the right man to lead. There are things I can't talk about. We liked him because we had worked with him as a leader. I don't want to talk badly about the movement. I don't want to talk badly about any leader of the ANC. I'm not that type of person. I don't do what Fikile Mbalula does. I can talk one day and once, and I think I can finish him off. Although Magashule believes the tension between him and Ramaphosa is more about the differences in their ideologies, he said he still has wonderful relationship with the former ANC leaders. When Magji asked him about Jacob Zuma, he said, my relationship with him is wonderful. With all the presidents we've worked with, Nelson Mandela, Thabo Mbeki, Zuma, wonderful. Zuma is a warm person. He is a real people's leader. Forget us, he's a father. That's why he still stays in Nkandla, where there are no rich people and surrounded by poverty. Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.